So, because the next section I'm gonna be putting your guys' music and beats. But now we're going into the third topic, which is how to get over beat fatigue. This isn't gonna be a big topic. This is gonna probably be a couple minutes, really. Just because there's really not a lot to say in this. Honestly, because really how you can get over beat fatigue is just making sure, like, having a wide variety of sounds and being inspired. And it's a weird, because when I have a lot of samples to just choose from, if I listen to music, I'm like, ooh, I could sample that, I don't really get beat fatigue. And I think some of the problem is some people don't have the information they need to make some music. So then they try to make something and it doesn't turn out right, when it's really, you may have a good idea, like you might be onto something, but you're not executing it right. So sometimes you just gotta sit back and then just study, and then get some information, and then go back and then you'll do it. Because I'll tell you what, like back in the day, I got beat fatigued all the time. You know why? Because I couldn't cook, I couldn't make beats. So I feel like a lot of it just comes from, you just gotta be a better producer. I mean, but it's not to say that, like, if you cook like so many beats in a day, you're gonna get, like, you know what I mean, like you're gonna run into that. Like there's only so much you can do. It's like working. It's like, oh, I can, like with anything, you can only flip so many burgers, I guess. I mean, that's pretty easy, but like like I'm trying to think. What's another thing that you could just get exhausted from? I mean, like working out. Like, yeah, pumping iron. Like if you're like working out too much, you're gonna get tired. Like, so like really, and then how do you stay inspired? I mean, shit, man, it's different for everyone. I like to read, and then I like to watch some YouTube videos. Not just like random YouTube videos, just random shit inspires me. And music, if I see someone making a beat though, that always makes me want to make a beat, because I have this competitive edge where I'm like, I want to make a better beat than him. I don't want him, it's my type of luck to be like, oh, I'm not gonna cook a beat right now, I'm bored, and like someone else would be cooking, and like their beat would be like the breakout beat, you know what I mean? Like that's my type of luck, I feel like. So, but like I also feel like getting MIDI and loop kits, getting sample kits, when you get new sounds, that's the important thing. You gotta get new sounds. When you guys just go on like YouTube, there's a lot of playlists for like not loops, but like music you could sample. So like video game samples, classic rock samples, old school soul and R&B samples, just shit like that. So when you go out there, you can find new music to like just attach to and sample. So it makes just more sense doing that. So that's just my personal opinion. Like for an example, a lot of the beats I've been making lately have been just sampled stuff, or like I'll work, or I'll make something and then I'll sample my own creation. I think sampling is like a key to just breaking out, because it helps you use another body of music to pretty much create something new from it. You don't want to just rip something. I always want to try to create something new. Like, I don't know. Right now I'm just goofing around. grab different stuff. I mean, there's a whole. I mean, we're not the only people that make like MIDI and loop kits and all that other stuff. A lot of people do it. So that's just like when you get these sound libraries, it helps you just expand to get new stuff. So I mean, like it helps like. And if most of the time, most people make royalty-free samples. So if you guys get royalty-free, you can, depending on the licensing agreement, you can sell the beats. I know with our samples, if you guys make beats from our samples, you can go ahead and sell your beat. Like, you don't care until you get with like a major artist or a record deal. Then some other stuff. What about this one? I'm not really trying to do this as like a promo, but I'm just showing you guys like there's other things you can do. You don't need to just get in the box and make a beat, start with your chords. Start with the drums first. Do some other stuff. Try new stuff. Don't try to follow any formula when you're doing music, because I feel like that's where you start getting uninspired, because it's like, oh, it's just the same thing over and over. Oh, like, nah. Sometimes just doing random shit can inspire some new shit. That's why. Oh, and I crashed FL. I hate when this shit happens. And I lost the beat. Oh well. Fuck it. You win some, you lose some. So, that's tragic. Wow. Yellow. That's not even a yellow point. That's just an L. Oh well. So, we're going to move on to the next section.